Hello, this is Peter Stegman. I made Stegman's Welding and Fabrication Service. Why Stegman's Welding and Fabrication was forged. The mission of the company is to provide the best quality custom work for an unbeatable price. Also, to encourage reusing and refurbishing, which avoids filling up our landfills. This business started from a niche, since the average age of welders is 58, and many are retiring, while Stegman's Welding and Fabrication is amping up. This provides the perfect place for Stegman's and Welding and Fabrication to cut in. What my business can do. Stegman's Welding and Fabrication is a service that can do custom and individual work from residents and local businesses. On the welding side, I can fix lawnmowers, snowblowers, washing machines, and tractors. On the fabrication side, I can make parts for custom local breweries, distilleries, and other custom one-off work. This is the nice thing about having a fabrication and welding shop in your area. I can make or fix anything made out of metal. How does Stegman's Welding and Fabrication work? Customers can contact me by phone, email, or by person to receive an estimate. Before the work starts, I will go over what needs to be done. Next, I will give an estimate along with a completion date. This makes sure that everyone's on the same page. This is also a good idea to have a smooth running business, so there is no misconceptions on what work needs to be done or should have been done. Also, if I'm in the middle of a job and I see something else that should be fixed, I will call the customer or contact them to ask them whether I should address this. This is the next level. How can the Stegman's Welding Service and Fabrication save you money? For example, this mower deck repair that I did was $160, while a new mower deck or brand new mower was $500 to $2,000. This is a great example of repairing and reusing compared to buying new. That is the savings. Why this company fills a need. There are more and more shops that are closing since the owners are retiring. This is making a demand for welders and fabrications. In addition, with the microbreweries and distillery market booming in southern Maine, there is an even bigger need for TIG welders. Why my business is helping the community. First, I will hire employees, which helps the economy. Second, having a quality fabrication and welding shop locally that can easily repair and refurbish metal items. This would help to decrease pollution and trash in landfills. Not only it will help people get broken items or overworked items, and I could repair them or refurbish them so they could have a new life. In addition, The Guardian did a study on the amount of items that we throw away. That would be easily fixed. Can we fix it? The Repair Cafe wages war on the throwaway culture. Location. Stegman's Welding and Fabrication is located in Portland, Maine. We have a warehouse that is approximately 5,000 square feet. This is a great location since we are less than 1 mile away from I-95. This means that we are within a 15-minute drive from Saco to Cumberland. This is a widespread area with hundreds of local businesses and private consumers who are looking for welding work. Lastly, how to reach Stegman's Welding and Fabrication. On the screen below, you can see my contact information along with email, website, and hours. If you need any welding work done, I hope you choose Stegman's Welding and Fabrication. Thank you for watching. Peter Stegman.